So Bitcoin is sitting at 47,500 right now, as you can see, and it did hit 47,700. And of course, it achieved our target of $46,000 that I was talking about, and it overachieved it as well. So somewhere here, Bitcoin needs to start calming down, because weekend is going to start, which means that the bullishness will come to an end. And weekend, generally, when the volume is missing, bullishness is really hard to continue with. So I think the retracement of a bit should start. So let me see what Bitcoin is trying to do here. So the last one was at 48,969. If it's going to go and do that or not, that's going to be fun to watch. But anyway, $1,000 more, or 48,500, yeah, $1,000 to $2,000 more from here is going to be pretty much the story. That is the max I can consider for it at this stage. And then Bitcoin will start retracing and testing its $44,000 support. Once it has done that, then it will start rallying again. So in simple language, what we are looking for Bitcoin to find a stop here somewhere, and then it's going to come down and it's going to test $44,000. After it has done that, then it can start its journey, and this journey, wherever this thing stops, it will cross that and it will create a bigger top than that. So let's talk about scenario. Let's say that this one stops at 48,500. Okay, so it stops at 48,500, then it takes a dip towards 44. After it has done 44, then it starts rallying again. Now the next rally should be bigger than the previous one, this one, in terms of target. So it should go above 48,500, which means that it will go towards $50,000. And we will see, how it's going to react to 50, because 50 is a psychological resistance. It's not a resistance whatsoever, but it's a psychological one. So it's going to go towards 50. For that, it needs to calm the hell down here. It needs to cool off here, and to give the next rally a bit of room to show off. But otherwise, it can go and do a 51, 52. Once that is done, my top will be in place. I think I've started finally seeing the top that I was looking for the crash. The first target is $35,000. So it is going to be beautiful, because the higher it goes, the less problematic will be the crash. Because crashing 50%, let's talk about 50, 60%, from $50,000 is less painful in comparison to a crash from $40,000, because there's a $10,000 gap as a buffer for you already. So I'm expecting that this is going to be the case scenario. I'm expecting it to stop somewhere here, try to find a stop there. Wherever it stops, then you will start seeing it dipping towards 44. After you start seeing it closer to $44,000 range, you will start expecting a reversal, and it will start going up again, and that would be towards the 50. From here, the 50 is kind of confirmed that 50 is coming in. So let's prepare for that. And once we have achieved that on Bitcoin and on the rest of them, then that will be a decision-making point. If you guys are going to prepare for the crash at that time or not. I had given it 8 weeks. I think more than 3 weeks have passed. We still have like 4 or 5 weeks left for this overall movie scene drama to end. So let's see. We still have time to play around. So let it go to the top. Once we are on the top, I'll let you know.